I'm Holly, and today we're in Belfast for an apprenticeship open day with Toyota and Lexus in partnership with Rutledge. Let's get started. Can you tell us a bit about the apprenticeship programme?
So the apprenticeship programme is for existing employees or a new employee looking to do a vocational qualification. So they would do a qualification, they'll come to us one day a month to do their qualification and accredited the qualification, and the rest of their hours will then be working with that employer, learning on-the-job skills.
I'm on apprenticeship in the first year.
And how are you enjoying your apprenticeship?
Well, it's quite nice. From the beginning, I didn't really expect that much, but it went over all my expectation. Everything that I did here, it's just helping me continuously. You get all the training and support that you need from your managers and your teachers.
So we've been able to have experts here to talk through all the different routes forward. We've had probably 100 potential apprentices through the door. It's been busy, it's been chaotic, but it's been fantastic.
So while you've been here today, have you been given any advice at all?
Yeah, I've been given some good advice by a few people. It's just the requirements to get in and like what skills I'll need when I do the job, how long I'll be working and all that sort of stuff. It's been good.
What job roles can you gain from an apprenticeship?
There's fast roles and qualifications to do as an apprenticeship. Typically it's seen as the guys out the back in the workshop in their overalls, but we offer customer service, team leading, sales and business admin. So any job role, we actually offer 28 different qualifications within Rutledge training.
If you're keen on learning and enjoy learning, it's definitely the right place to be because you constantly have to be learning.